communicate with another possibilities except this communication and via Facebook. But we try to understand why we don't have friends. And finally, just in here in Sansepolro, I understood a little bit that might be, because of our topic was very fragile. And since this Facebook system open your name and so it's no, we just try to apply to many organizations, LGBT and so on. Normally they are very active, but we didn't have a reaction to our performances and to our video. And might be, and it might be also noticed in the report, that might be that it is due to this specific topic, because it's much more easier just to open your mind to talk about regarding migration issues and regarding events in Romania. But this is very, how to say, in the Facebook you open yourself and you are seen. And if you make some comments, sometimes it's really, even I said about my case, I reacted to some, I made some comments, and my friends called me and said, why are you specific so, and you are, maybe you are somehow
LGBT person.
Yeah, it was very funny, but yeah, it's specific, and it's important in
Yeah, but that's the reaction.
But this is something